Hello, good morning viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to work on 3 problems that are related to combinations. We have already seen the introduction, so without wasting much time, let's start with the first question. The first question reads, we should find the number of ways 2 prefects can be selected from a class of 15 students. So this is nothing but 15 combination 2. But in general, remember, if we have n combination r, it is the same thing as n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, also multiplied by r factorial. So if we have 15 combination 2, this is the same thing as 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 2 factorial, then multiply by 2 factorial. And this is equal to 15 factorial divided by 15 minus 2 is 13. So we have 13 factorial, then multiply by 2 factorial. So 15 factorial means 15 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 12 down to 1 in that order. So we can write this as 15 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 13. Let me stop here because I have 13 factorial to the bottom, so they will cancel automatically. But 2 factorial is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 1, and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So from here, 13 factorial will cancel 13 factorial, and 2 can go into 2 one time, and it can also go into 14 7 times. So all we have left is 15 multiplied by 7. And 15 multiplied by 7 is 105. So we have 105 ways. We have 105 ways in which 2 prefects can be selected from a group of 15 students. So this is the first question. Let us go to the second question. So the second question reads, we should find the number of ways a committee of 5, which include 3 males and 2 females, can be formed from a club consisting of 8 males and 7 females. So to find the number of ways a committee of 5 can be formed by combining 3 males and 2 females from 8 males and 7 females, we are going to multiply the number of ways 3 males can be selected from 8 and 2 females can be selected from 7. This is the same thing as 8 combination 3 multiplied by 7 combination 2. While this stands for the number of ways 3 males can be selected from 8, while 7 combination 2 stands for the number of ways 2 females can be selected from a group of 7 females. So this is equal to, for 8 combination 3, it is the same thing as 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, then multiply by, we have 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2, also factorial, then 2 factorial. So this is the same thing as 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 is 5 factorial, then also 3 factorial, then multiply by 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 2 is 5 factorial, then 2 factorial. So let us break it down. This becomes 8, 7, 6, 5. I will stop here because I have 5 factorial down. 5 factorial, then 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 times, we have 7 here, 6, 5. I will stop here. Divide by 5 factorial, then multiply by 2 times 1. From here, 5 factorial will cancel 5 factorial, and 3 times 2 is 6, so it takes care of this. And to the right hand side, we have this cancel this. 2 times 1 is the same thing as 2. So 2 can go into 6 3 times. So all we have left is 8 times 7, then multiply by 7 times 3. 8 times 7 is 56. Then 7 times 3 is 21. And finally, we have 56 times 21, which is equal to 1,176. 1,176 ways. So there are 1,176 different ways in which a committee of 5 can be formed that include 3 males and 2 females from a group of 8 males and 7 females. And this is the second question. Let us move to the last question. And here is the last question, which reads, out of 7 women and 9 men, a committee consisting of 3 women and 4 men is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done if we have 2 conditions? You can see them. The first one, any woman and any man can be included. And the second condition, one particular man must be on the committee. Okay, let's start with the first condition here. If any man and any woman can be included, therefore the number of ways, let me use my black pen. The number of ways will be, because you can see we have 7 women and we want to choose 3 out of the 7. And also we have 9 men and we want to select only 4. So it will be 7 combination 3, then multiply by 9 combination 4. If any woman and any man can be included. So this is the same thing as from here we have 7 factorial, divide by 7 minus 3 factorial, then 3 factorial, then multiply by 9 factorial, divide by 9 minus 4 factorial, then 4 factorial. We have 7 factorial, divide by 7 minus 3 is 4, so we have 4 factorial here, 3 factorial, multiply by 9 factorial, divide by 9 minus 4 is 5 factorial, then 4 factorial. Let us further break it down. We have 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial, divide by 4 factorial, multiply by 3, 2, 1 times. We have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 factorial, divide by 5 factorial, multiply by 4, 3, 2, 1. So from here we can perform a cancellation. 4 factorial will cancel 4 factorial. 2 times 3 times 1 is 6, so the whole of this will take care of this. And the other one, 5 factorial, will take care of 5 factorial. And 3, 2, 1, which is 6, will take care of 6. 4 can go into 4 one time, and it can go into 8 2 times. So what we have is, to the left hand side, we have 7 multiplied by 5. And the whole of this, we are going to multiply that by, to the right hand side, we have 9 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So this is equal to 7 times 5 is 35. Then multiply by 9 times 2 is 18. And 18 times 7 is 126. So we have 126. And 35 multiplied by 126 will give us 4,410. So this is 4,410 different ways. So we have 4,410 different ways in which a committee consisting of 3 women and 4 men can be formed from a group of 7 women and 9 men, in which any woman and any man can be included. So now let us take the second condition, which says that one particular man must be on the committee. So the only difference is that since we have one person constant, so from this group where we have to choose 4 men from 9 men, instead we are going to choose 3 from 8 men because 1 is constant. So it is going to be 7 combination 3 multiplied by 8 combination 3 because 1 man is constant, so we don't have to count that person. It will be 7 combination 3 then multiplied by 8 combination 3. This is equal to 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3, which is 4 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial multiplied by 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 3 is 5 factorial, then multiplied by 3 factorial. This is equal to, we have 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial multiplied by 3 to 1 for 3 factorial multiplied by 8 7 6 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial multiplied by 3 to 1. For cancellation, the whole of this 3 to 1, which is 6, will take care of this. This will take care of 5 factorial. This will take care of this. And this will take care of this. So all we have is 7 multiplied by 5. Then also multiplied by what we have here is just 8 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. And 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. And 35 multiplied by 56 will give us 1960. 1960 different ways. So we have 1960 different ways in which a committee consisting of 3 women and 4 men can be formed from a group of 7 women and 9 men, provided that one particular man must be on the committee. And this is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.